Hello, welcome to Honey of Knowledge, and this is yet another Friday talk. So, recently I have been watching a lot of time lapse videos. You know, those videos in which a mango rots, they fast forward it 10x times, 100x times, whatever the case may be. Saplings growing from a seed inside soil, and things like that. And I have found out that most of the change takes place in around 30 to 50% of their initial phase. I mean, if it's a decaying process, most of the damage takes place around 40-45% mark. Brought me to thinking that this is kind of an exponential decay or growth, because if you look at the nature of exponential decay or growth, most of the damage or growth happens in the initial stages, and after that it plateaus. So I was thinking of analyzing it, but for that I need to know a bit of video analytics and image recognition, rather video recognition. Let's see if when I am able to do that kind of an analysis, but I really would like to do that in future. Apart from that, I would have also shown a clipping of that time lapse video so that you can get a feel of it. I don't know how YouTube copyright policies are exactly, so I would rather be on the safer side. Apart from that, I have also been observing a lot of these statistics based time lapse. I mean, I should not say time lapse, but they're kind of that. It's like most subscribed YouTubers over the period of last 10 years, or most number of sixes scored by a batsman over a period of last 10 years, or most number of catches for that matter, or internet penetration of countries over a period of time, or things like that. I mean, any kind of demographic data which changes over time. They plot a bar chart or something and keep changing it over a period of time, and obviously they have to move it in a very fast way because compress that into 2 to 3 minutes of a video. And I really wanted to make a reaction video on it. So if you guys know how to make those reaction videos, because I know how to edit them out and make it, because it's pretty easy. If you just go to any video editor, you can just reduce the screen size and make a reaction on that. I just don't want to jump few lines and attract any copyright issues. So better safe than be sorry. And I again logged on to Kaggle today. I have been using Kaggle for fun, but I never thought of trying to solve a Kaggle problem. So today I downloaded the Titanic data set. I know you might think of me as a noob now because it's 2020 and I'm still thinking of Titanic data set. But that's how it is. I mean, I need to have a strong driving force to do something. So I thought that I have given sufficient amount of time in R, Python, and my pet projects. Let's go in a traditional path for some time. So wish me luck on my Kaggle journey. Yes, in a future video, I would like to talk about how I got into MSQE at Indian Statistical Institute. So if you want that video, please comment so that I know that you want that video. I want to make few videos on physics. I mean, LC oscillation and its connection with SHM. I mean, let me try to rephrase this. LC oscillation is your inductor capacitor oscillation, and your SHM is simple harmonic motion. So in simple harmonic motion, you have a transfer of kinetic energy to potential energy and to and fro. And in LC oscillation, there is a transfer from your capacitor's energy to inductor's energy via current. Capacitor stores your charge, and that charge is moved from capacitor to flow inside inductor, and it drives a kind of a magnetic energy inside the inductor. So I wanted to compare these two situations because there's a good amount of math in it and it's quite interesting, and I have a bit of philosophical theory behind LC oscillation. If you're new to this channel, please look at all the videos in this channel and suggest your ideas. I mean, what kind of videos you want in this channel. I have a vision about this channel, but I would like to modulate it depending upon how you guys perceive the channel to be. I would like you guys to have an ownership of this channel, because ultimately this is you guys for whom this channel is made for. It's not meant for my personal consumption. And with your support, I would like to grow this channel and make maths fun. Before you leave, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also press the bell icon.